Now let's get creative, as we always do in this beautiful kitchen, and focus on plating. Plating isn't just about serving food, it's about creating a sensory experience that feels indulgent and, most important, memorable. Now, a culinarian, Lucy Markowitz, and I will be crafting a spicy sun-dried tomato and basil compound butter using Stork Country Blend to transform even simple dishes into festive culinary masterpieces and interactive food. Lucy, we love that. When every person's bite becomes bespoke, where they can kind of create their own, but there is something so dramatic about a compound butter. Talk us through where you're at.
So I've basically taken the Stork Country Blend, and it's so soft and spreadable that it's so easy to mix with all the ingredients. You don't have to worry about taking it out of the fridge. You can take it straight out of the fridge and use it. And then I've just mixed in a whole lot of ingredients, some chili flakes, sun-dried tomatoes, herbs, and some seasoning. And that's it. There's your compound butter.
I think you can use the word voila,
yeah.
because it does. It comes together so beautifully. And at the heart of that is our Stork Country Blend. It combines the richness of butter, what we love, with the goodness of plant oils, delivering luxury with every spread. Perfect for sauces, for toppings, for indulgent spreads like we're making today. Stork Country Blend adds a touch of elegance to everyday moments. You're now going to want to have compound butter on everything that you have.
Absolutely.
And that's okay.
So here we've got a little kind of, it's half breakfast, half charcuterie board, but we've basically made it into a little breakfast spread, some cheese, some cold meats, and some lovely fruit and breads and croissants. And I'm just going to take that butter, which I've popped into a piping bag, and then that's just easy for guests to scoop and spread.
And it adds just kind of a restaurant quality touch. And that's often all you need to elevate your dish. It's just one of those little finer details just leveling up. I love that.
And talking about finer details, here's a little starter plate that we've made, something you could serve your guests for a lovely plated dinner. And then just by piping on some of this butter, as it goes on, you can just melt. It'll just melt over the...
Oh, and then those flavours
and then the flavours are all just going to combine nicely over that. Yeah.
Oh, that is spectacular. I'm thinking if you're cooking a steak tonight, to be able to introduce it in the final phase, when you've got all those beautiful juices in there, exquisite, beautiful, delicious, and it does. It adds a bit of food theatre, a bit of drama. I don't know why I always feel the need to high-five you after these brilliant moments, but it's amazing how much you can do. You can elevate your table this festive season with Stork Country Blend, your secret to turning everyday ingredients into extraordinary culinary moments. Beautiful.